President Kagame and I discussed a vision for a closer partnership going forward. One that is rooted in regional stability and peace, as well as economic development. Prior to my visit here, I had the pleasure of speaking with President Tshisekedi, President Ruto, and President Museveni. From these visits, it's clear to me how vitally important a durable peace is for this region. We support the security and territorial integrity of all states in this region. There are many American companies already invested in Rwanda. The government of Rwanda has a vision of being an economic leader and has a society ready to drive this vision forward. We are ready to work with Rwanda to achieve this goal, which is why finding a resolution to the conflict in Eastern DRC is so essential, as it will unlock the region's untapped potential. During our discussions, President Kagame committed to pursuing this vision of peace. I can confirm and I can affirm that the United States also remains committed to this effort and is ready to facilitate an end to the conflict. Obviously, a peaceful end to this conflict. An end that allows countries to secure their borders and lays the foundation for a thriving regional economy. This relationship has great potential, and we appreciate the opportunity to discuss the way forward with our counterparts here in Kigali. Thank you very much.